Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan donuts. First, let's gather our ingredients and equipment. You'll need common pantry staples such as flour, sugar, and a plant-based milk. Decide if you prefer baked or fried donuts, as this will influence your equipment choices. Having everything prepared beforehand makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. This foundational step ensures you're ready for success. Now let's create our delicious vegan dough. Begin by combining your dry ingredients like flour, sugar, and baking powder in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients such as plant milk, oil, and vanilla extract. Then carefully add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients. Mix just until everything is incorporated. Overmixing can lead to tough donuts, and we want them light and fluffy. With your dough ready, it's time to shape and cook your donuts. Roll out the dough to approximately 1/2 inch thick. Use a donut cutter to create the classic shape, or simply use 2 different sized round cutters. For baking, place them in a preheated oven. If frying, carefully drop them into oil heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook until they are beautifully golden brown on both sides. The final step is the most fun: glazing and decorating your vegan donuts. Whisk together powdered sugar with a small amount of plant milk to create a smooth glaze. Once your donuts have cooled slightly but are still warm, dip each one into the glaze. For an extra touch, add sprinkles, chopped nuts, or a drizzle of chocolate before the glaze sets. Enjoy your homemade, delightful vegan treats.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.